I'm a professional auto technician, and I tested cheap tools from Temu. The results shocked me. Most mechanics spend hundreds, sometimes thousands, on tools, but not everyone can afford that. So I decided to try budget tools from Temu and use them in real repairs. Are they snap-on quality? No. But for the price, they're solid, reliable, and perfect for beginners or even daily use. I use tools like these in real jobs, and they can save you a lot of money if you choose the right ones. I dropped the link below so you can check out these tools yourself. Save money and build your toolbox the smart way.